If you have a billing hold on your Bank of America account, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Review your account status. Check your Bank of America account online or through the mobile app to understand why the billing hold was placed. Look for any notifications or alerts that indicate the reason for the hold. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Bank of America's customer service at the number provided on their website or on your account statement. Be prepared to verify your identity and provide details about your account. Step 3. Provide necessary documentation. If the hold is due to missing information or documentation, gather the required documents. This may include identification, proof of address, or any other relevant paperwork. Step 4. Follow up on your request. After submitting any necessary documents or information, follow up with customer service to ensure your request is being processed. Ask for a timeline on when you can expect the hold to be lifted. Step 5. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account after the hold has been addressed. Check for any updates or changes to your account status to confirm that the billing hold has been successfully removed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve a billing hold on your Bank of America account efficiently. If issues persist, consider visiting a local branch for in-person assistance.